IsiZulu ke sithi ke usizi liyakwazi kuba kwalo. Inkinga ke futhi nazo ziyakwazi ukugibelana uma sibona ezinye inkinga. Kanti ke abanye bathu uma kukhona ke okubi okukhona kusuke kukhona okuhle okuzayo. Njengoba ke nesiloke sokwazi sicacela ungekudala ke ebuhleni bamaNazaretha ngomhla ka-26 kuJanuwari 2025. Kanti ke lokhu ke sikusho nje ngoba ke isise sikhipha amaphepha ke enkantolo kuba ke sehlukanise ke noNdlunkulu waso uqala ukaMayisela. Izathu ke asaziwa kodwa ke kuvela ukuthi ke kunominyaka bengakhulumisani laba bobabili yize ke kade ke bendawonye ngokomshado. Kanti ke isiloke simisela ukuthi sikhokhe ke isondlo futhi ke asinanazi ukuthi sizokwazi ukukhokha isondlo. Inkinga ke edala ke ukwehlukanisa azaziwa kodwa ke abanye abaphutshuza indaba bathi ke kukhona ukuthinteka okwaba khona kaNdlunkulu ethintwa omunye umuntu kazana ke. Siloke bathi azange seneme kakhulu ngalokho ingakho ke senzeke lesi sinqumo. Kanti ke umhlazi unomzana ke uprofessor uMusaxulu uthi ke ungabumbane kweNdlunkulu yikho kwenze ukuthi bahluleke ukubamba noma ukunqanda lesi ke isimo iKwaZulu Natal neKwaZulu ethula ke ikuso ngesilo noNdlunkulu
families. But you must also remember that the Zulu royal family at the moment is a very divided family because of the disputes, the kingship disputes that are there. So it would perhaps be difficult for the in-betweens, the people who were trying to connect the two families, to perfect the discussions for reconciliation because sometimes His Majesty is more of like an isolated person and members of his family tend to be slightly away from him, which leaves him vulnerable.
Ngoba ke lokhu ke kuletha ke inhliziyo ezibhlungu labo ke abathanda indlu kwaZulu ke bafuthi khona ukuthokoza okuncane ukuthi ke ongenani uNdlunkulu ke ezobechacha ke uzokwazi ukuthi kalethe ubumbano phakathi ke kweNdlunkulu yonke kanye nabafowabo besilo semabandla.